Now let's talk just a little bit about Microsoft's SQL Server certifications, because there have been some changes this time around with 2012 on the certifications that you can achieve on SQL Server, and it's a little bit confusing if you read Microsoft's website, so let me step you through this. First of all, the base certification for SQL Server is the MCSA for SQL Server. MCSA stands for Microsoft Certified Solutions Associate. Now, let me give you some marketing for Microsoft and a tip for your own resume. Any of these SQL Server certifications are very valuable on your resume. You will find SQL Server everywhere out there in medium to large size businesses, and people proficient with SQL Server are in demand. That's been my personal experience and a lot of people I know. No guarantees here for your part of the country or the world, but trust me, in my neck of the woods in the southeastern United States, you get a lot of attention with your resume if you have this stuff on there. So anyway, let's talk about the MCSA for SQL Server. This demonstrates that you have essential skills with SQL Server 2012. To achieve MCSA on SQL Server, you just need to pass 3 exams, and I'm going to put them in the order I would suggest you prepare and take them. The first one is exam 70-462. And this is administering Microsoft SQL Server 2012 databases. Next, 70-461, querying Microsoft SQL Server 2012, and that's going to focus on the Transact SQL programming language. Then 70-463, implementing a data warehouse with Microsoft SQL Server 2012, which is the course you're taking right now. Now, these 3, by the way, are the base for the more advanced MCITP, the Microsoft Certified IT Professional level exams on SQL Server. So when you get these 3, you have an MCSA certification. Now this time in 2012, Microsoft has kind of changed up their certifications, and they're offering 2 new professional level MCITP certifications on 2012, and they are the Data Platform certification, which, by the way, you'll notice if you were certified before, taken what used to be 2 separate certifications, Database Developer and Administrator, and they've merged them into this single Data Platform certification, because it's getting harder and harder in the real world to draw a hard line between administrator functions and developer functions. Then you're still going to see separate exams for each area, but they're both kind of folded into that one Data Platform certification. Then there's also a Business Intelligence certification. Now, let's take a look at each of these. For Data Platform, notice you have to get the MCSA exams 461, 62, and 63. Then you will also need to prepare for 70-464, developing SQL Server 2012 databases, and then you will take 70-465, designing database solutions for SQL Server 2012. So if you want to get the Business Intelligence certification, those exams are going to be, notice, our 3 friends, 461, 62, and 63. Then exam 70-466, implementing data models and reports with Microsoft SQL Server 2012, and then 70-467, designing business intelligence solutions with Microsoft SQL Server 2012. So that just gives you a little idea of what's going on with their certifications. You have those 5 exams that are required to achieve the MCITP, and 3 exams are required if you have a prior SQL Server 2008 MCITP. Then you can take 3 exams. You can go to Microsoft's website and get details on that. But I hope this helps you understand a little bit of the fruit basket turnover that's happened on the 2012 platform with Microsoft SQL Server certifications. But I can tell you from my own personal experience, it's worth every minute, every penny that it takes to achieve these certifications. And I will point out also 461, 62, and 63, we're offering all of those on VTC.com. Just go take a look at those, and they're authored by a very intelligent, handsome author, so you can go check those out. A little shameless marketing there, but who cares, right? So anyway, I hope this helps you understand the SQL Server certifications.